oral biofilm formation on different materials for dental implants. Bacterial biofilms are complex, functionally and structurally organized microbial communities, characterized by a diversity of microbial species that synthesize extracellular, biologically active polymer matrix. Dental implants and their prosthetic components are prone to bacterial colonization and biofilm formation. The use of materials with chemical composition and surface topography that provides low microbial adhesion may reduce the prevalence and progression of peri-implant diseases. In view of the oral environment complexity and oral biofilm heterogeneity, microscopy techniques that can enable the structural analysis of biofilm from teeth and dental material surfaces are needed. This article describes a series of protocols implemented for comparing oral biofilm formation on different materials for dental implants. The steps involved in the in situ biofilm formation in the study were as follows. Record the maxillary arch by means of an alginate impression. Pour the alginate impression with type 4 stone to fabricate a model of maxillary arch. Fabricate retentive clasps of nicochrome wire and locate them on the model. Manipulate the self-curing acrylic resin according to the manufacturer's instructions and press the acrylic resin between two glass plates during the plastic phase to make a sheet 3 mm.